Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam and beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Dear students, mathematics exercise 4b for new syllabus mathematics book 2 class 7 abstract students, and exercise 11b for new syllabus mathematics D1 for A level O level students. And question number 4 is find the values of unknown in each of the following squares. Now students, in question number 4, squares are given, and first I would like to tell you that what the characteristics of the squares are. So students, first keep in mind that square is a figure in which all sides are equal and all angles are right angle, and diagonal of square bisect each angle. Suppose I draw a diagonal from this corner to this corner, and this diagonal is bisecting angle C and angle A. So students, as I have told you that in square all angles are right angle and diagonal bisect the angle. So students, angle C is right angle as well as angle A is right angle, and diagonal AC is bisecting the angles. I mean to say, if we name this angle as angle X and this angle as angle Y, so angle X and angle Y will be equal because diagonal of square bisect the angle, as well as if I name this angle as M and this angle as angle N, so angle M and angle N will also be equal, and both are 45 degree each. And students, here is another point F on AB, and this point F is joined with D like this, and we have to find this angle A as well as this angle B, and this angle is given, that is 82 degree. Now students, keep in mind that DF is not a diagonal. DF line is not a diagonal because diagonal is the line that join the opposite vertices. So you must keep in mind that DF is not a diagonal. In characteristic of square, both diagonal, if I join DB and AC, both diagonals will bisect each other with right angle, and this angle is not right angle. It means that DF is not a diagonal as well as F is not a point B. So DF is not a diagonal. You must keep in mind. Now students, look at this figure. There are 1, 2, 3 triangles and a square figure. Angle X and angle Y are equal, and angle M and angle N are equal. And we have to find the value of A and B, whereas this angle is 82 degree. So students, first we will discuss triangle D, and we can name this point as point O. So students, we will discuss triangle DOC, in which angle X is 45 degree because AC is a diagonal, and we will find the value of this angle P. Or you can say that if we name this angle as angle J, it is totally up to us. Angle J and 82 degree both are vertically opposite angles. Forget about this angle P, and we will not discuss triangle DOC. First we will discuss triangle AOF, and this angle J is equal to 82 degree because both are vertically opposite angle. So first I will write angle J is equal to 82 degree, and reason is vertically opposite angles. And students, angle N is equal to 45 degree. As earlier I have explained that diagonal of square bisect the angle, So angle A is right angle and angle N will be 45 degree, and it is written as diagonal bisect the angle. So students, each angle of square is right angle, so bisection of 90 degree is 45 degree. Now students, here we will apply the formula. If we discuss triangle OAF, this angle B is exterior angle, and exterior angle of triangle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So here we will apply a formula. In triangle OAF, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So students, B is an exterior angle and opposite interior angles are angle J plus angle N. So B degree will be equal to the value of angle J is 82 degree plus value of angle N is 45 degree. So B degree is equal to 2 plus 5 means 7. 127 degree, and degree will be cancelled with degree, and the value of B is 127. Now students, we will discuss triangle DOA. Again look at this triangle DOA, and angle J is exterior angle of this triangle, and exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So students, J will be equal to A plus M, and the value of M is 45 degree because M and N both are equal. So again we will apply the same formula by writing this. In triangle DOA, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. So students, exterior angle of this triangle is angle J, and angle J will be equal to angle A degree plus M degree, and the value of angle J we have already found it out. The value of angle J is 82 degree. So 82 degree, not 80 degree, 82 degree plus A degree we have to find, and the value of M is 45 degree. And 45 is plus, when we transfer it to other side it will become minus. So 82 degree minus 45 degree is equal to 8 degree. 5 will be subtracted from 12, and here will be 7, and 4 will be subtracted from 7, and here will be 3. So A degree is equal to 37 and A is 37. A degree is equal to 37 degrees, so the value of A is 37. And the value of B is 127, and it is the A part of question number 4. Now I am going to solve B part of the same question, and it is little bit tricky but not difficult. You must put concentration on this figure and definitely you will be able to understand B part of the question. Here again here is a square, and I have told you the characteristic of square. Square is a figure in which all sides are equal and all angles are equal, and diagonal of square bisect all the angles and bisect each diagonal with right angle. So students, this is right angle, these all angles are right angles, and diagonal bisect each other. And students, one thing more, okay, the name of this square is A, B, C and D. And students, this angle is of 45 degree. Reason is diagonal of square bisect each right angle. Students, on DC there is a point F. In a way, if we join F with center E, here is the center of the circle E, square. Here is a point of intersecting of both the diagonal, and E is joined with F. And students, here is the point, this angle is C as well as this angle is C. Both angles are C and here angle is D. We have to find the value of C and D. So here you must keep in mind that first we will discuss triangle FEC, in which this angle, we can name this angle as angle X. Angle X is 45 degree because AC is diagonal and diagonal bisect each right angle. So the half of right angle is 45 degree. First we will write in this way, in triangle, I mean to say we are discussing triangle. I am talking about the triangle. In triangle FEC, angle C plus angle C plus X is equal to 180 degree, and reason is sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degree, and X is 45 degree. X is equal to 45 degree. Reason is diagonal bisect each angle. So AC is diagonal, so it is bisecting right angle, so the value of X is 45 degree. Now students, I will put 45 in place of X. C plus C degree mean 2C degree plus 45 degree is equal to 180 degree. 45 is plus, when we transfer it to the side it will become minus, and 2C degree is equal to 180 degree minus 45 degree. Subtract 45 from 180 and we will have 5 subtracted from 10 mean 5, 7 minus 4 mean 3, 135 degree, and 2 is multiplying. When we transfer it to the side it will divide. So the value of C will be 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry 2 7s are 14. 67 whole number 1 over 2 is the value of C. And now students, as diagonal of square bisect each other at right angle, so angle D plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. D degree plus C degree is equal to 90 degree, and reason is diagonal bisect with right angle. Diagonal bisect each other with right angle, so D plus C is 90 degree and the value of C is 67 whole number 1 over 2. So D degree plus 67 whole number 1 over 2 minus is equal to 90 degree, and D degree is equal to 90 degree minus 67 whole number 1 over 2 degree. So students, if we subtract 67 whole number 1 over 2 from 90, we will have 22 whole number 1 over 2 degree, and degree will be cancelled with degree, and the value of D will be D is equal to 22 whole number 1 over 2. So the value of C is 67 whole number 1 over 2 and the value of D is 22 whole number 1 over 2. Okay students, and it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time and have a good day.